All right. What's up, everybody? It's Bakari So Real back again with a So Real trading video. Hey, man, today is day 67 of us staying consistent and consistently trading gold on the market and me sharing my market analysis with you guys. Today's day 67, and we are on a journey of completing our 450-day trading challenge. And it's going amazing right now. Um, I'm super excited. I'm super locked in. Um, we're in we're in profits. If you have been watching my videos up until this point and you are a trader, you should be in profits when it comes to trading gold. Comment below. Let me know if you're making money in trading gold. Let me know where you bought in at. Let me know what's your targets because we moving now. We finally moving now. I remember days when I was dropping day 40 videos and day 50 videos and shit was not going nowhere. Gold was not moving. We were consolidating down here in the support zone in the low 4,000s. And then in a matter of less than 2 weeks, gold has bounced up to over 400 points and we're in profits right now. I could close out if I literally, I'm literally basically at my goal for the month already, and it's only August 12th. I could close out right now, like I could close out my profits right now and be at and just be okay with hitting my goal for the month, and then I could just do a couple scalps here and there. I really can. I really could do that. But something is telling me to just continue holding on for a little bit longer. Because as you see right here, if we get above this trend line right here, if we get above this white trend line that goes diagonal right here, if we start trading above this, we could still start climbing up higher to like 45 or even 46. So if we're gonna be climbing up higher to 45 or even 46, I might as well hold on and then close out around there. Close out around there. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm not gonna lose any money because I have officially moved my stop losses to break even. My stop losses are at break even. So it's just really a matter of like just trading with your gut at this point, trading with your cahoons at this point, and just seeing where the market could go. It's not me trying to be greedy. I'm not trying to be greedy. I'm literally just going off my market analysis, man. Another reason too is I got the daily time frame pulled up, but I'm gonna pull up the weekly time frame. I'm gonna take all this off for you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna take this off, and you see what we got going on. See what we got going on. So for 2 months, 6 weeks, gold was consolidating. Gold was barcoding. Gold was going sideways. And then literally last week, which only took 2 days, only 2 days out of the week, gold had bounced up from 4,064 all the way up to $4,337. And that just happened in 2 days last week. Now we're in this week, and the Wednesday candlestick has just closed. The Thursday candlestick has just opened. So we have 2 more days left of the week. And pretty much this move right here from 4,347 up to $4,408. That move pretty much has happened in one day so far out of the week. And that day was pretty much on Monday, I believe. Yesterday, I mean, the Wednesday candlestick has closed bullish as well, but it was only bullish like about 20 points or something like that. So, or bullish by not that many points, not that many points. So, I think Thursday, or Friday. And mind you, tomorrow morning is core PPI. We just had core CPI news, and you saw what that did. The core CPI news was bullish. A lot of people were confused because you hear all the time about the buy the rumor, sell the news type of trading or type of psychology where you buy the rumor and when the news comes out, you sell the news. A lot of people were expecting that. That wasn't the case. This was a buy the rumor and buy the news type of event. Will that repeat for tomorrow? Will we see another bullish action that will probably take us into $4,500 for core PPI? If you guys don't know what CPI and PPI means, CPI means customer, it means consumer something, right? And then PPI means producer something, producer PI, right? I'm having a brain fog, but CPI is for consumers, PPI is for producers. Okay, so I think producers is probably going to move us higher than the consumers, and I can see this week if this week just goes up a notch, we could easily see we could easily see 45.88. We could easily see 45.20, 45.20. This week would for me to be for my stop losses to get hit this week would basically have to flip bearish. This week would basically have to flip bearish if my stop losses were to get hit. So if you're watching this video right now, like I said, if you've been watching my videos, you should be in profits. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you're trying to figure out where to trade on gold, you came to the right spot because I am a price action trader and I give price action market analysis. So you came to the right spot. All I do is focus on price action trading. I don't get into all the politics. I don't get into all the back office and logistics. I focus on the price action technical analysis. All right. I'm telling you, this is not financial advice. Nothing I say is guaranteed. Nothing I say is guaranteed. It's not financial advice. It's only for educational purposes only. But my biased opinion is that this week is going to close out bullish. This week is going to close out green. So if you're already in profits, go ahead and hold on at least until Friday morning, or at least until Thursday during London session, or at least until right before New York session opens on Friday, because sometimes Friday tends to drop. I would say if the next 24 hours are bullish, I would probably close out thin. And then yeah, I think this week will be bullish and I think next week will be bearish. But I don't think next week will like die. Like I don't think next week will like completely reverse on us. I just think next week will be like a bearish week. We might come back down and touch 43.58. After touching 45, we might come back down. But I think this week we have the potential to touch 45 or at least 44.80. We have the potential to touch at least 44.80 this week. If we touch 44.80, I'm gonna close out and I'm gonna be above my goal for the first month. I just started this goal, this my trading goal, like how many points I want to make for the month. I just started it this month of August, and it's only August 12th, and we already at that goal, guys. We're already at that goal. So I'm super excited, man. I'm super thankful. Um, I've been just taking care of my mental, taking care of my energy, taking care of my space. I just been staying sharp. I just been staying ahead of the game. I just been staying ahead of the curve. I've been thinking long term. Um, all of those things, man. Everything takes place, bro. I hit the gym this morning. I got to hit the gym tonight. Um, I've been eating right. I've been like trying to just eat, eat simple, eat the same things, stuff like that, right? Um, yeah, just stuff like that, man. But yeah, that's hey, watch this video again if you want to know what my market analysis is for the rest of for this week. Watch this video again. I just told you. And yeah, today's day 67. And I guess I'll see you guys on day 68. And we're gonna go from there, man. We're gonna keep this going all the way for 450 days. 450 days. All right, man. I love you guys. Wish you guys nothing but much love, much success, much abundance, much joy. See you guys on the next one. Peace.